Hello and welcome. Today is the 10th day of April 2014. It is a Thursday. Welcome to this video. My name is Derek. We'll take a look at silver and then finish it off with a copper chart as well. Fibonacci retracement. Significant low recorded at the end of 2013 and the highest level of the year set at 2218 from February. And as I was stating, we were in this long sideways consolidation in December and January. And for me to see a bull market, I needed to see a move breaking this key resistance, coming back to the band, and then breaking resistance again. Okay, well, broke resistance, established resistance, went to the band, never took it out. Therefore, I've been stating that either one of these two moves is going to be a failed move. Either the breakout, the often symptoms, we'll say, of this failed move is, well, more than what we've got here, at least down towards this lower end here, the low 19s. Or the failed move is this one in here that had a decent down push of a couple dollars or so per ounce. Now within this, when you had this support test here, a higher high from this point, but that immediately failed. Now there was interesting situation because you have a spot where you broke above the 18 band and then recaptured it within that session. Sort of like what we have today and what we had here. So there's a situation where it went down. This was a situation where it went up. So there's no way of stating, okay, we broke resistance. It's now at an area of support that was resistance. Hey, that's bullish. Well, I can give you just as many bullish reasons as bearish reasons. But what's important now is breaking this resistance, the band starting to rise again. After it breaks resistance, that's going to establish new resistance. And then the area you'd be expecting would be 2079 or in that ballpark area. Come back to the band and then break resistance again. Then we can start to give some bull sentiments towards this time frame. Also, what's interesting about this or of note is when you broke this resistance in here, you've closed right on it this day. This day in here, it rose up to previous support here and then closed back right at that area. The next day it resisted it again in here, but it established support in here. Has not taken it out yet, very close yesterday. So therefore, in order for me to state it's going to be a move down to the low 19s, high 18s, I need to see a break below this trend, and it's trend line. And a break around 1955 or so could have a significant fast move for these times, which would be usually about a 50-cent move in about an hour or two that could cause like a decent-sized red candle if, of course, that's going to be the direction of the market. There's so many neutral signs. You can state, well, hey, it's been finding support in this level. It's consolidated, made new high. That's all bullish. But we've also been in a downtrend for so long. Well, that's kind of bearish as well. So that will be the silver chart for today. Let's now move this on to a copper chart. We're going to take a look at a 2-week time frame with each one of these periods representing 2 weeks of time. Price action right now has barely above $3 a pound. And, well, let's take a look at the key lows and highs. The key high was $4.65 in 2010. The key lows, $1.26, not shown on this chart, going back to the crash of 2008 in October. Therefore, it has given back about 1/3 of its overall rally. And from this point in here, it's given back most of it. But what is of note, I think, is this level right around here, which is roughly at around 308. For in here, it was support, lifted fast up to the 370 area. So that's a gain of 70 cents on 3. That's over 20%. later making it close to 4, establishing a higher low from this point here. But key thing was we established symmetrical triangle. Something like that. The first move was the actual move. I don't know if that's more common or not. I'd say usually not, but it resulted in another downtrend, which was a sideways consolidation. Within the bands, it never ever did show any bullish signs because it got to the band, sold off. Got above the band, supported it. Now I need to break resistance. Didn't happen. One move down. Since then, it's been sideways. So, with that being said, it's looking to me as if it's going to most likely continue the test down to 282, this level in here. I'd be cautious on any rallies that come towards this 18 average band since this support has been taken out. And that will conclude today's video. So thank you for tuning in and have yourselves a great day. Bye-bye.